Hey you guys, so hey, this is Makeup by Kawanza. I came in because I want to share with you guys a new palette from the Makeupshack. Um, I've reviewed a palette for them previously. Um, I'm gonna post the link to the other palette that I reviewed here on my channel from this company, the Makeupshack. It's an affordable makeup company that has wonderful pigmentation in their palettes. This is their new palette, the Rainforest. um I paid this palette $12.99. Shipping is a little bit steep, but for the price um that you pay for the palette, it's not bad. So altogether I paid $19.98 for the palette. Now this is the beautiful palette, you guys. OMG. I know I had been wanting to get the Morphe James Charles palette, but since I got this one, I ain't even worried about it because baby, James Charles who? This palette is the bomb. And I will be swatching it for you guys. So, swatches coming up. Okay, you guys, these are the swatches from here to here. I'm going like this, starting at the top. And this is just one swatch of each one. And these swatches is not wet. This is dry. Those mattes are so pigmented too. Look at that. And this is the last row right here. The last row right here. The Rainforest palette for $12.99. Y'all need to go cop this palette. If y'all been wanting the James Charles palette, I think you guys need to go get this Rainforest palette by the Makeupshack for $12.99. Man, you can't beat this. Beautiful colors. Beautiful swatches. Nice colorful palette. Very versatile. It has your nudes, colorful, shimmers, mattes. This whole row right here is matte. Matte, 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 matte. Shimmers and iridescent colors. Man, it don't get no better than this. Y'all better go get this palette. Makeup by Kawanza. Show you guys the swatches one more time. And I'm going to go slow. One swatch. I swatched them all one time. And put it on my hand. Y'all go get this palette. $12.99. I paid $19.98 with the shipping. It's very worth it. See you guys later. I just wanted to let y'all know about the Rainforest palettes. Y'all be blessed. Walk in love because Jesus is love. And if you love Jesus, you're definitely walking in love too. See you guys later. Mwah.